Hey, what's up guys? This is Havoc1996 and today I'm going to be showing you another mini-mock of a scene from the Star Wars The Clone Wars Umbara arc episode, The Carnage of Krell. Now, this scene is the one of when the clones of the 501st Legion and of the 212th Attack Battalion have both received orders from General Krell saying that squadrons of Umbarans ambushed one of the clone platoons, seizing armor and weapons. So, yeah, and if you've seen that episode and you remember that both of the clone platoons were attacking each other and just heavy casualties everywhere. But yeah, this is just one portion of that fight that happened, and as you can see, not all of my 501st troopers are of the regular 501st Phase 2 armor, because I have 2 ARF troopers, as you can see there. And then the 212th Attack Battalion, not all of them are the Phase 2 212th Clone Troopers. That have some airborne troopers in there as well. But yeah, let's get into the details. So as you can see here, on the ground here, that it is of, well, not necessarily a multitude of colors, but it's the ground is more than one color, mostly black, and then you got some dark gray around it, and then here and there you got some red colors. You know that since that Umbara was somewhat called the Shadow World or whatever, you know, I tried to do my best to make it look as I tried to do my best to kind of grasp that, I guess you could say, with making the ground very darkish, or yeah, I hope you know what I mean. And obviously, as you can see, the whole entire ground is not flat, because, you know, the surface of Umbara, it's obviously not a flat field planet. There's like hills and mountains and you know, all that stuff. But here's like some little pieces, like like this thing right here, there, and some others around the Moc that it makes it look more like Umbara, the planet of Umbara, I guess. So, and on to the other details of the Moc. There are 4 details of this Moc that I think I did pretty well, or a good job on, or at least to me. But yeah, like this little these 4 pieces right here, right there, and right there, and over here. These are like those plant type things growing out of the ground, you know. And you know, there's 2 different kinds, but 2 of each. Some make it look not look like the same, but just to give just to make it look like there's a different variety of those plants, you know. And then this big thing right here in the corner is just something that I came up with, like maybe I guess you'd call it a larger plant of a sort. So yeah, let's move on to the clones on this Moc. As you can see, most of the, well, not necessarily most, but like half of the clones on each side are dead. About half of them on each side. And as you can see, they're not firing at each other. They have their weapons down and realizing what has happened, because you got come on, focus. Sorry about that. Because you got Captain Rex over here holding one of the 212th Attack Battalion troopers, showing both sides that they're all clones, as seen in that episode. And so, yeah, again, both sides of the, or clones on both sides, not firing at each other, just realizing what has happened and what they have done after seeing Rex revealing that neither of them are Umbaran, that they're all clones. And another iconic clone on this Moc, I guess you could say iconic, yeah, is Sergeant Apo. Now, he is the only other unique 501st clone minifigure that I have. I don't have hard case or Kicks or Tub or Fives or Jesse, all of them. Yeah, I don't have either one of those, but it would have been cool to have them. So yeah, and again, like with my last Mini-Moc, this one takes up one whole base plate. As you can see, if you can tell, the very bottom there, you can tell that the base plate is green, and that I just have gray and black pieces on top of it. So yeah. So again, my Mini-Moc of a scene during the Carnage of Krell Star Wars Clone Wars episode of the Umbara arc. This is Havoc1996 signing off, and see you guys around.